wind up, got one of my rooms all flooded with.
All right, so we're actually downtown right now, downtown Vegas. So we're about to pull up to the meet. We're about 0.4 miles away. I've seen it on my story. Like, I follow people on Instagram that are at this meet, and it looks pretty lit. It looks pretty packed. So hopefully there's a good turnout. We're about to find out though. I cannot get into this parking lot, but somebody's revving right now. We got some Lamborghinis pulling in right now. There's someone over there revving, shooting flames. I can hear it, but obviously I can't see shite. Damn, bro, they're gonna let all these Lamborghinis go before me? What the hell? Do you know who I am? I can't wait till I'm on that status. Do you know who I am? Oh, it's our turn now. It's our turn now. Get out the way, I can't see. This shit is wild. There are so many people over here. What's going on, man?
All right, bro, you're gonna go in there. Once it clears out, go all the way. When you turn all the way to the down, turn left and find a spot as they go.
All the way down to the left?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure.
I think it's starting.
I have to start turning right.
God damn. Let me focus up, y'all. There's too many people. I'm about to run into somebody. What's going on?
Make all the way, go down, make a left, and then just follow the lines as they go, okay? Just try not to make your own spot. Just follow the cars as they go.
All right, for sure, man. I got you. I got you. Damn. All this attention, man. All these people, goddamn. Sick Porsche right there. I'm finna park right here. We made it, y'all. Some said, don't mess up the parking. This shit is clean, bro. Oh shit, he got the whistle. This shit's clean, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Is it a wrap on there?
Yeah, it's a wrap.
With the TEs as well? Yes, sir. We had a couple of Beamers over here. I should have parked over here, honestly. It's like an F80, F82. Apex wheels on one of them, per usual. And we got some TEs on this one. Yeah. It is super clean. Got the S2K. Boopra. Boopra. This E36 over here is clean as hell. Love the color on it. Damn. We must be in Japan over here, shit. This is clean. I need a Japanese car, man. I need a Japanese build. I love the color on this. Damn. No, this shit is clean. The color's dope. And it goes well with the white wheels. I feel like there's a lot of Supras in Vegas, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Nah, that color goes insane though. We got over here, we got some Lambos. God damn. The yellow's fire. Red on white, always fire.
Oh, you guys buy it? We're buying it? Yeah.
This is like a off-road built Lambo. This thing is insane. I'm trying to pull up the Sema in a Lambo. Ah, damn. 400Z. That Evo, bro. Honestly, if I was ever to get a Japanese car, it'd definitely be an Evo.
Yeah.
I've always loved Evos, man. Oh shit, the RX-7 gang. I see this one all over Instagram, to be honest. It's clean. He has like the heart tail light. That shit looks crazy, bro. Ah, oh my god. Mario Kart in this bitch. Damn, I thought this F80 was wrapped. It looks good. Nope. That is indeed Laguna Seca blue. The camera doesn't do it any justice. The paint looks so good. Oh yeah, and the ambient lighting, hell yeah. That's dope. All right, I'm probably about to head out. Low key, the meet was kind of dying down. But overall, pretty good turnout. I'm probably about to either go to another meet or go take some pictures of the car. So, night's not over. Right now, we're headed to the Sema after Sema meet, whatever the case is. I know we were just at a meet last night, but honestly, that meet was nothing compared to what this meet is about to be. So we had a slight change of plans. This is a pre-meet before the meet we're about to go to. Fresh Kicks is here with his car right here. There you go right there, for those of you that don't know. I just seen Finding Nick somewhere back there.
Yeah. It's Vegas.
But I mean, this shit's packed. Like, there's hella people around me right now. Like, you can barely walk around these damn cars, to be honest. So, yeah, shit's clean. Like I said, I don't know why, but there's like hella people at this one. And the other one, I'm pretty sure already started, so. There are a lot more Beamers tonight at this meet than there were yesterday. But once again, they're probably all from Cali or from other states, because honestly, as far as Las Vegas, the Beamer gang is pretty weak, I'm not gonna lie. There's not that many Beamers, especially like F80s, G80s. All right, but a lot of people are wrapping up, so I'm about to head out as well, go to the other spot. I'm about to get ratchet. We can't even get into the goddamn parking lot, bro. Ridiculously packed, but am I surprised? Not at all, because like I said, this is exactly how it was last year, and this shit gets packed early. So honestly, I should have came here early just so I can get a parking spot, to be honest. Right now, I can't do shit, man. E46 right there. To be honest though, I'm thinking about parking across the street or something, or away from the meet, which is exactly what I did last year, because once this shit gets super ratchet and ghetto like it does, and like it will, you don't want to be like trapped in the parking lot. You want to be able to get into your car and skedaddle, feel me? I'm walking across the street now, but the cops already done blocked off this road. So this is the road that the meet's on. They got the flares out, god damn. All right, y'all, we made it.
Quit hiding, fuck a caption, won't action, no accident, no hands on, we fake around,
I thought the last meet was packed. This is insane. got a full-on race car, man. This is fire. I didn't even get this out here, to be honest. I literally just got here probably 15, 20 minutes ago. And the cops are ready to turn the sirens on. Trying to shut it down. Got the Coca-Cola 8.6. This is clean. Evo. Finding Nick's F80. Damn, this Ferrari right here is hella clean. I'm usually not a huge fan of Ferraris. I like how they did half the vinyl and then half white. It looks dope on the paint. This is the type of shit I'm trying to get when I have some money one day. Forget a Lambo, man. McLaren all day. These dudes tweaking in the Tesla truck. Bro, the tail lights on the Supra. Iconic. He got this bit tooted up, don't he? I mean, the cops tried to shut it down like 30 minutes ago, but I don't think anyone cared, to be honest. There's dead ass look. You got fireworks going on. There's so much shit going on out here. You don't even know where to look. Fireworks in the sky. Someone starts shooting flames over here. Start shooting flames over there. It's insane, man.
Thank you guys for all the love. We love you guys. Thank you for coming out. Please make your way to your cars and leave. We ask that you cooperate with PD and leave in a faster way.
Damn. Rev that shit, old timer. Guess not. Got the Audi R8. Still a dream car of mine. I bet it's so discouraging for the cops because they're like, everybody leave, get out. And people literally just chopping it up with them over here. Still shooting fireworks. All right, y'all. I think that about wraps it up for tonight. Looks like everyone's starting to head out. I'm gonna go ahead and follow suit and take my light-skinned ass home. For those of y'all that stuck around to the end, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop till you reach them. Peace.
Screw me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. I done bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carat in stones.